So what happens when you take Trump era tax cuts slash healthcare, ramp up border security, and roll it all into one huge domestic policy bill? That's exactly what's happening. This bill will reshape American life for years to come, especially for working class families, immigrants, and anyone relying on public support. Let's break down what's actually the bill, who benefits, who loses, and why the stakes are so high. First up, taxes. This bill makes Trump's 2017 tax cuts permanent for both individuals and corporations. That includes lower income tax rates, a double standard deduction, and a drop in the corporate tax from 21% to 20%, with an even bigger break of 15% for companies that manufacture in the US. It also eliminates income tax on tips and overtime and removes taxes on Social Security benefits. Sounds good, right? But here's the catch. It adds $4.6 trillion to the US deficit over 10 years. And the biggest winners? High income earners and big corporations. And to help fund these tax cuts, bill slashes over $1 trillion from Medicaid. The Congressional Budget Office says that by 2034, 12 million more people could lose health coverage. It also cuts Medicare, Obamacare subsidies, and food assistance programs like SNAP. Plus, new work requirements mean fewer low-income Americans will qualify for government support. So yes, this bill gives you more take-home pay. But if you're struggling to make ends meet, it could take away the healthcare and food support you rely on. Now let's talk about the debt. The bill is expected to increase the federal deficit by $2.8 trillion over the next decade. That includes $441 billion in interest payments alone. Supporters say economic growth will make up the difference, but independent analysts and the CBO disagree. They say the math simply does not work. Then there's immigration. The bill sets aside billions for new detention centers, border infrastructure, and mass deportation efforts. Trump himself visited a 5,000-bed facility in Florida to spotlight it. Here's a clear signal. Tougher immigration enforcement is back and being heavily funded. To sum it up, this bill would lock in permanent tax cuts, reshape healthcare access, expand immigration enforcement, and widen the gap between America's richest and poorest. For Trump, it's a return to his signature playbook: tax cuts, tough borders, and shrinking the state. For opponents, it's a rollback of social protections that could leave millions worse off. There are questions though. Will the tax cuts survive legal challenges?
And how will this shape the 2026 elections?
We'll be watching. And don't forget to subscribe because we're also covering each aspect of this bill separately, from immigration to taxes to Medicaid.